Righto, we're up at bloody crack of dawn. Heading out for a fish before dawn, so probably still got about half an hour to go before we hit the trail. Hoping to get some baits out long and do some fishing in close. We'll see if there's any mulliways as well, but really chasing the sharks and whatever else is out there, demersals. Got a new spot, we might be able to see if there's any dewies and snappers as well. Pete, what do you reckon?
Yeah, I reckon we'll see if we're going to go. Got to be in it to win it.
Got to be in it to win it. Risk it for the biscuit, mate, he reckons.
That's it, risk it for the biscuit.
Right, we've hit the track, we're in high range. Pretty short run in. Right before, well, we've still got probably an hour before dawn. We'll get set up and see what the situation's like when we get there. Nothing like a bit of off-road fun. Righto, so we've hit the spot. We're about to unpack the car. We've got all our gear and we're about to go set up, get a couple of rods out and see what happens when the sun comes up. Mint. In the spot, first end of the day. Can't see too much seaweed out there. Just cracking light. Just about to send the big baby. Let's go. Drop one. Zinging out there. She's staying nice and high. Keeping an eye on the height. The water looks beautiful.
Very nice.
You should start getting bites straight away. All right, bait 2. Battery showing 70%, so we'll be able to get another drop, no problem. I reckon you definitely get nibs there. What are we going to get here? We've got 2 baits out. Can we get the big hook up? Something's really having inquiry on mine. This is just about to hook up. Oh, and yours? Proper bites. Tighten your line a little bit. Give it perfect presentation. We might both, I'd love to see us both hook up at once here, but then we'll have a problem who goes down to get them. Maxed out on the bracelet. Thanks again. So we're probably going to need to give yours another 5 or 10 and bring in, mate. And reload. I'll get that new battery on now, actually. Do a quick battery change out so we're good to go. Really easy on these. Just loosen these screws until you hear it click. That one's not clicking. This also creates a weatherproof seal. Put the new one in. Make sure that the GPS is facing the front. Test that it works. That means it's working. Screw it back in. That easy. So we've got number 1 in there now, so that should be good. All right, I reckon you bring in whenever you're ready, mate.
Yeah, because I was just seeing it, just a couple more taps on it.
Yeah.
I'm going. So
Well, if you think you'd rather leave it.
I'll get, you know, I'm going to give it. Well, I'll give it another 5.
I'm just going to check mine. Oh yeah, it's snaggy. Yeah, I'm in a snag. Oh, I got it out straight away. Might have gone straight back into another one. Oh, that felt like I actually had a bite then. Okay, it's good ground. Back into a snag. All right. Okay, so we just leave that there then. Something keeps pulling the line. Oh, nibs. Yes! Oh! Am I on? I think he's pulled me into snags. Just gonna let the line out for a second. I think I've got something big on here, man. You just reload as soon as you can. I hope I don't lose my line. I'm trying to do everything to not lose it, but so I can feel he's still on. So this guy bit and then just went straight down, and that's what they do. Oh, I think I just lost everything. Yeah, he's broken off. Now I think I might get all my line back, which is really good. Just got to get above all this seaweed. It's beautiful down here. So yeah, we're going to get all our line back. May have lost the rig, may have lost a thumping fish too, but that's the game. Don't get them every time. Yeah, I think I've lost my rig. Oh, look at that, I just found a coin, we're lucky. It's like a barley coin. Wow. Or Thailand. Oh, we just had a cracking bite, but unfortunately snagged up, couldn't recover, so let's see if we can do it again. Got the little glow beads on. Give it a good wrap. Is that you trying to do a record scratch? Is he going to be on straight away here? This is really biting. Here he goes. Here it goes. Yes! I think you might be on already. Just take your rod, give it a tighten. Give it a tighten, quick. Nah, not quite, almost. Oh! I think you might be on, just give it a quick reel. Yep. You're on. Let's go, baby. It doesn't seem huge, but you do have a very heavy rod, so. This is a 15 to 20 kilo rod we've got here, so it has deception of making you feel like the fish are very small. Oh, he's giving you something back there, by the looks of it, or are you getting snagged? He's fighting, isn't he? Maybe. Oh, not again. Can we get him off? Try our best.
Come on. Come on.
This is high drama. Got him? You ever lost him? No, I think he's still on. Let's go. I think you're still on. Yep, looks that way. Here we go, stay at that angle. Yep, stay at that angle. Well done, mate. Might not have anything here now. Yes, we do. Oh, it's a shark. Keep going. I think it's a gummy, mate. Yes! Look at that. Look at the size of him. Oh, look at the teeth on him. That might not even be a gummy. He's got these two big fangs. No, that's not a tiger. That looks like a gummy, some kind of reef shark. Wow. Look at the teeth on him, can you see him? Look at the two big fangs. Or are they just whiskers or something? Wow. All right, well, we're gonna need your pliers. Beautiful fish. Wow, look at that. Is that teeth? Wow. What kind of shark are you? He would be very nice to eat. That's some kind of gummy. Wow. Oh, that was madness. Well done. Drop 4. Let's hope this is the Holy Grail send, eh? Thanks for joining us again. It's been an epic morning. Peeling off. Line's coming back. Pete's chucking him back in. And we're back home. Yeah. So we will test that other battery, even though we're having dramas with it. I've never seen one of them before. It's a new species, eh? That looked like a beautiful reef shark though. Very nice. Some kind of gummy, eh? But it was a bit darker and it had those whiskers on it. So maybe it's a whiskery. They call it, there's a whiskery reefy as well. So this is now battery 1 again. We had the issues with. I think the issues are something to do maybe with either the circuit board or the software firmware on there, maybe. Who knows? We'll certainly see whether we can get to the bottom of it and not lose the drone. Final battery change for the day. Didn't bring my spare car battery, otherwise we could have charged more. Probably don't need to. Beautiful looking shark. Oh, that was a nib. Oh. Come on, baby.
But unfortunately, like I said, it pulled you in a...
Dive straight in, yeah.
That, like I said, that's not good.
That was a big boy. That was a big boy. I don't mind that, man, because it just means we're doing the right thing.
So what's really good, like I said, now, because I changed up, all I do is just cut that off.
Yep.
Right, or use this one with the swivel on that, and run run a new line for the sinker.
Yep. Another rig.
Done.
Beautiful. Don't worry about it, mate. I'll wait. Oh, there's a nib. There's a nib. Just from you tightening the line there. It was a nib, all right. Good, 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 good. We're still on. I think that's going to be our final send, brother.
with everything that happened,
Oh yeah.
we ended up being...
Oh! Oh, that was a proper bite again? Jeez, that was close, man.
Is that what we're going?
Look how murky the water is now.
Playing with you.
That's still cool though, man. Just even coming out here and doing this is cool when it all works out. I reckon I've been baited now. It's for the first time I haven't got a hookup, so my 100% ratio could be under jeopardy. Yes, he's still there. Oh, what do I have to do? It'll be a miracle if I've still got bait on after all those big taps. Well, that's still great fishing. Still had an awesome time. Had to overcome a few issues early. Have I still got bait on? You're joking. Yep. Wow. After all those bites, we still had bait on. I got caned. Just lost a sinker. You beauty. Righto, heading back.
Yeah.
You beauty. Just high range all the way. Downhill. A few deep ruts. Too easy, mate.
Slightly gnarly, but not too bad.
Alright. We're out and about again. Lots and lots of seaweed around. Hopefully we'll still be able to get some decent baits out. I'm in the seaweed as well. No! Well, far too much seaweed tonight. We both lost line. Fortunately our baits dipped down into the water. Way too much seaweed, so we'll be back again soon. Don't you worry about that.